Hayden's first solid food other than rice cereal. This is organic sweet potato that Mommy Lisa made for you. Okay, baby. Yay! Yay! You're doing such a good job. You're doing such a good job. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Good job, baby. Oh, that's a good job. Huh? You did a good job. You know you're doing a good job. Okay. Okay. Put some more. Yay! Oh, this is awesome, Aiden. This is going to help you get some more substance in your belly, huh? So you don't stay up all night and wake up Mommy and Daddy in the middle of the night. Because you're hungry, huh? Yeah? That's a good sign. That's a good sign, baby. Oh, look at that. Oh. Just can't give you enough, huh? Oh, good job, baby. Good job, baby. Yeah, good job. Yeah.